or the Dark Iris? I think I'm gonna only have to go with Sesame because we're getting into the springtime, though I do think this is gonna be a really cool color for the fall and winter. And it's different, it's bold, you know? It's got a different vibe going on in the Sesame color scheme, but I'm with it. Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a close look at the Nike Sacai Vaporwaffles in the Dark Iris color scheme. So let's take a sneak peek. And welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe now, as well as be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you guys have any comments or questions, be sure to leave those down below. Also hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on, as well as be sure to check out our membership tiers. We got some great perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. So as mentioned earlier, we are going to be going through the Nike Sacai Vaporwaffle in the Dark Iris color scheme. I was so happy I was able to cop this off the sneakers app. So we are going to start off by doing an overlook. Then I'm going to bring out some of my other Sacais that I have in my collection that we're going to kind of compare this colorway to, followed by the size and fit of the silhouette. Then we're going to touch on styling. I had so much fun styling. This is just some nice bold colors going on in this specific colorway. And then we're going to conclude with how these shoes are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump into the overview and start on the frontal portion of the sneaker. So we've got this dark iris colored suede, which is an interesting purple. It's very bold. I actually am going to bring out a couple purple variations just so you guys can get an idea of what kind of purple this is, because I know it's kind of hard to tell. So this is more of a bluish purple, and I actually think that this matches the bottom of that swoosh quite nicely. But this hoodie, I think, just nails it on the bullseye with the purple variation there, but you can kind of see directly that both of these would go, but it's definitely an interesting purple. I brought out another purple just so you can see that this is just completely going a different direction with the purple scheme. But it is quite a nice bold purple. It's not so much a bluish purple, I would say. It's more of a brighter purple, but not too much in that line of more reds and pink going on in there. So just a beautiful, nice, bold suede that we've got in that dark iris color scheme. We've got some nice purple textile going on as we move up into the laces. You guys will notice that we do have the dual laces that Sacai is known for, this time in a navy and white scheme. Again, this is more of kind of a lace tie than just a regular lace that we're used to seeing. We have the dual tongue action going on in the purple and white colorway with the dual branding. And it has just some nice treading again on the side of those eyelets in that dark iris colorway. So let's take a quick look at those different details. so if you are actually not a fan of this kind of lacy lace, they also give you this rope lace, which is kind of nice because I do feel like this can come off a bit more feminine, but this is kind of a nice option, and it is that similar color scheme. So nice that they give you that secondary option on the lace. So let's move on to the medial and lateral side of the shoe. This is where the real pops of color on top of that purple come in that orange color scheme on the swooshes. Then as we make our way to the heel, you'll notice there's more pops of that orange, and this is just premium leather. Then we've got the Nike Sacai branding on the back there, again in that dark iris print. And we've got the heel tab and the dark iris colorway as well. As we go on to the side with the dual swooshes, you'll notice that there is more of a navy color scheme going on the bottom of that swoosh that is orange on the top. Making our way to the dual kind of midsole here, we've got, again, just a nice finish in cream and white, finishing it off with just a nice simple black outsole, and the insole is the orange and dark iris color scheme. So let's take a final look at those details. All right, so I brought out a few of my other Sacai's that I've gotten from this specific silhouette. And this is kind of the closest in color purple scheme wise, but as you can see, these are two remotely different purples. Again, we are used to kind of seeing that mesh on the side profiles of the shoe. This one again is more textile. It doesn't have that mesh on the side panels, which I think is great to have that secondary option, specifically just because my feet did kind of get cold in the winter time with these side panels being so open and breathable, which I think is great for the summertime. But I do think this is going to be a great option for the fall winter when it does start to get a little bit more chilly and I want to keep my feet warmer. As far as the other colors go, you guys have already seen the sesame, the black and white, that villain red, and this crimson and royal blue. I am a fan of all of these. I think that they are all just very different. And the thing I love about the color options that they've chosen with these is just the fact that they are so different. Even though this is sort of kind of a purple color, it is nowhere near the same, and they used just different color palettes on each of these styles. So I feel like you can really dress these in different ways. So as far as sizing goes, you guys know I stick true to size. I am a 7.5 in men's, which translates to a women's size 9. I do have high arch, narrow feet. So if you do have wider feet and they are flat, that will also probably change the way your size and fit works for these shoes. So do take that into consideration when you're deciding what size is going to fit best for you. Other than that, I would say stay true to size on this one. All right, you guys, let's move into styling. I had so much fun styling these colors just because I wanted to bring some purple out. I mean, why not? This is the best prime opportunity to do so. So I did that with my Supreme Crossbox logo hoodie, which you guys saw earlier. That was the perfect purple that matches this to a tee, and I layered that with my Supreme logo denim jacket, and for the bottoms I wore some nice just black cargo pants. for the second look, I decided to wear an all gray look just to kind of make these shoes the standout piece. They're so bright and vibrant, and it's just like such a cool color when it takes kind of that center piece and your clothes become the backdrop. So I wore this crew neck, this Stussy Nike collab, and it's just a nice simple heather gray with some nice ribbed, tighter leggings to go with it. And I think the gray just really worked well with the tones in this shoe. For the last and final look, I decided to bring some different color accents into the color scheme. So I wore some oversized wide-legged cargo pants and just a nice forest green color scheme with a nice neutral nude ribbed top. And I feel like the green just worked very nicely with these purple hues and the orange hues. Let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite look out of the three.
Yeah, I'm first team, I'm a superstar, they call me cream, like Abdul-Jabbar. Yeah, you had to face it, let's get back to basics. I'ma take the shot like it's a vaccination. I don't have the patience, I'ma shoot right now. Yeah, we undefeated and you gon' lose right now. Like click, 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 swish. I can switch it up anytime like this. I'm a videographer and I'm on the verse, so when I shoot my shot, I don't miss. I'm gonna take the shot, take the shot, take the shot. You know I'm gonna take the shot, take the shot, take the shot. Pull up and take the shot, take the shot, take the shot. You know I'm gonna take the shot, take the shot, take the shot. Yeah, kid noon, I've been shooting my shot, ooh. The into it, I've been moving the rock, yeah. My shit's wet like I've been using a mop, ooh. You get that, yeah, I've been proving I'm wrong. I've been taking shots and now I'm starting to stutter. Vision getting blurry, I should check my shutter. I'm the cameraman, I need my camera madam. Shoot my shot like I'm Ansel Adams. I develop film, not feelings, ooh. I develop film, not feelings, ooh. I develop film, not feelings, ooh. I develop film, not feelings. You know I'm gonna take the shot, take the shot, take the shot. You know I'm gonna take the shot, take the shot, take the shot. Pull up and take the shot, take the shot, take the shot. You know I'm gonna take the shot, take the shot, take the shot. I develop film, not feelings. Ooh, I develop film.
All right, let's get into resale. So these shoes retail at $180, and currently, obviously, depending on your size, they're going between $285 and $375. I know that the Sesame seems to have been a very popular version out of these two that launched, but I will say I do think a lot of people were very excited about this purple and orange color that was released. So definitely different in color scheme, but it is very unique, and I think it's a great color to style with. All right, you guys, thank you so much again for tuning in to one of my unboxings and reviews. If you were new here today, thanks so much for tuning in. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Also, hit this video with a thumbs up if you haven't done that. If you have any comments or questions, be sure to leave those down below, as well as hit the notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on. As well as be sure to check out that membership tier plan that we've got going for our members. Some great perks on there, as well as a great merch store. All right, you guys, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next episode.